Vlog number 8, phone interview happening sometime soon, so it'll probably happen while I'm talking right now, around 4:45. I have a networking phone call with a mutual friend. Her name's Bree. Can't wait to listen to Bree talk about her experience juggling multiple jobs and really making a name for herself in the sport industry, working for the Philadelphia Eagles and a couple other smaller fitness companies. So I'm really excited to hear from her, hear what she has to say about just juggling jobs and really crushing it. In between my phone calls, I'm probably going to take some pictures of some birds out here, sitting out on the deck. Gonna put the long lens on and see what I can get.